In this video, we are going to cover, can I schedule posts for LinkedIn, the benefits of even scheduling posts for LinkedIn, and how to actually schedule posts if you can for LinkedIn. And make sure you stick around until the very end because I'm going to share with you one tiny hack that creates exponential results. Okay, so first, can you schedule posts to LinkedIn? Now, before I tell you the answer, I would like to clarify that there is a difference on LinkedIn between a personal page and a business page. A personal profile page is one that usually just represents you. It might have a picture of you, and you can connect with other people on LinkedIn. A business page actually represents a business that usually you can't really connect with other people. You can highlight on this particular business page the different employees that works there. It's really an organization page, and you can connect all of the people in your organization through that one page. In my opinion, and from what I've learned, it's a little bit more challenging to grow a LinkedIn business page than it is a personal page. A lot of times you definitely want to get employees and people that are involved in the organization. If you choose to have a business page, you want to get employees and everyone involved in being active on the page, helping to grow the page, only because it helps. It's not required, but definitely helpful. So just a tip there. So answering the question, it is possible to schedule a post on a business page or personal page, but there are caveats to that we will get into. So before I continue further, make sure you subscribe to this page for more social media tips for your business. My goal is always to break it down in an easy to understand way. So let's talk about the benefits of scheduling posts. First of all, if you are a business or an organization, a lot of times scheduling to social can be time consuming. So having a weekly or bi-weekly or even 3 times a week an update on LinkedIn that helps the people in the world connect to your company and get to know more about your company can be great, especially if you're a B2B business or business to business. You can be able to connect more so with your potential customers and clients. Also, another benefit is making sure that you are active. A lot of times social can go by the wayside if we do not consciously put it on our calendar. We just update it when and if possible. And so that's when we find ourselves only posting once a quarter and things just start looking a little dead on social media. So scheduling things out help prevent that. And it's similar for a personal page. Life gets busy and you might not check in for a while. So being able to update on your accomplishments or just staying relevant as possible, scheduling that out can really be helpful. And since LinkedIn is a professional network, we may not get on there as much as an Instagram or a Facebook where we just really go to be entertained and relax. LinkedIn can be more of a challenge to maintain, so really scheduling out those posts, again, having a weekly update, bi-weekly update, or even a daily update if you're feeling extra ambitious can be beneficial. By the way, make sure you connect with me on LinkedIn. I do post 5 times a week giving social media tips there. Different social media tips than here, just bite-sized pieces. So make sure you follow me on there for more social media tips for your business as well. So how can you schedule posts on LinkedIn? There are a few ways I'm going to cover. First, you can use a social media scheduler such as buffer.com to schedule out your posts. There are many schedulers available. That's just one example. And what Buffer will actually do, you can use the free version and schedule it out. I think it's up to 10 posts at a time. Or you can invest in a paid option, which will also give you your analytics. Now, it depends on your goal, whether you want to invest in the paid version or not. But for most, especially if it's a personal profile, the free version should be sufficient. Now, if you want to know more about the different schedules available besides Buffer, I actually have a social media schedulers guide, which you can download, and you can find more information about that in the description below. Now, there is one tiny hack that will give you exponential results, and that's when it comes to posting videos. Posting videos video marketing, it is so important right now, and it's not going anywhere. It's only going to grow. So I always definitely recommend posting videos. I really love posting videos. I love when clients post videos because it helps people get to know you, how you speak, and connect with you. And if you have a product, allowing people to see that product, it just creates a visual representation, and it's so much more powerful. So this one hack I recommend is posting the video natively. Now, if you use a scheduler like buffer.com to schedule out your videos, what happens is the video actually posts as a link. Or if you share a video from YouTube, for example, you just share the YouTube link and the video just shows as a link. It really can create a barrier, and people may or may not click on it. So when I say I recommend posting that video natively, I mean you want to upload that video directly on the platform so that it either automatically plays, or people can simply click the play button, and it does not force them to go to a completely different website to watch your video. A lot of times if I'm on Facebook or LinkedIn, I don't necessarily want to leave Facebook or LinkedIn to go to another website. I generally want to stay on the platform. And according to a study by HubSpot, most people feel the same. When you post a video natively, HubSpot reports that Facebook has seen a 10 times more increase in video plays. So that's a lot, and it shows how important it can be to post your video natively if you want more eyeballs on your video. Hope that helps, and I can't wait to see the posts that you schedule to LinkedIn. Have a great day, and follow me for more social media tips for your business.